Good morning, traders, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester, and today I'm gonna share with you this live trading session using the broker IK option, but it's not just the broker IK option, trading with the broker IK option. I'm gonna share with you my bot, how works this bot for the broker IK option, and let's go to see if it is possible to generate profits today with this indicator for binary options. Let's rock with this video. Hey, good morning, traders. My name is Lester, and welcome to the next way trading. Today, I'm gonna share with you this live trading session with the broker and this strategy that I use with IK option. Yes, I have my own robot working for me with this broker for binary options. And I know I said many times I don't use it anymore IK option, but I saw these videos when someone created their own robot inside the IQ option. So I decided to create my own indicator inside. And right now I'm looking at how possible it can be generate profits for me with this robot for binary options inside of the broker IQ options. For me, this is something really good because don't need the MT4 platform, only need to watch it and waiting to receive the signals and trade and for my benefits. Okay, let's go to explain how works this. The indicator is created to send me signals when the market have this little reverse and I need to follow the trend. In this case, I have a downtrend. So for Euro and GPY, I take the trade for a put, but I need to notice it's crossing my moving average period 10, 20 exponential moving average. And the same case with the USD and GPY. Right now, we have a started triple news. Let me check. Let's go to change this. Yes. Let me check. No, in 1 hour start the news. In 1 hour. And we need to watch this, stay pending of this because the news is going to change everything for me. Okay. The indicator is going to send me signals and I'm going to trade for 3 minutes, for 5 minutes. And the moment they send me the signal, in this case, enter too late. But the idea is send me the signal here, enter in this candle. Okay. Here, send me for a put and I trade of this one and it's going up. Maybe it's going to be out the money USD and GPY. I think is the case or it's going to happen that. So right now, just waiting to end in these two last signals that I take it. This is Euro and GPY and USD and GPY, and both look out the money. Let's go to wait to see if it is possible to recover a few pips and stay in the money. Oh, let's go to wait for Euro and GPY. What's so close? Enter too late. I don't know. So close. What's so close? That chance that I saw. Let's wait. Euro and GPY is going down. Let's wait. Let's wait to see how ending this. Come on, come on. I have the last one. Just lost it for 1 pip. And send me again the signal. See? Trade for a put. But just gonna wait to see how ending this last signal. One. Okay, perfect. So let's go to explain how works this strategy for binary options. Well, we receive the alert and we trade for 5 minutes. Okay, we trade for 5 minutes. The moment they're sending a signal and we have a downtrend, we are going to trade only for a put. If we have an uptrend, we are going to trade only for a call. In this case, send me USD GPY put was deep in the money. The second signal that I decided to take it, waiting for ending the USD and Euro USD and USD and GPY, and both look good. Let's go to wait how ending these last trades. And we receive another signal here, but I don't take it. Okay, this is the way how we can trade using this powerful tool created for binary options. The indicator, I put the name now because next wave. Okay, for that reason, next wave. I put it now, indicator now. So, in the next days, I'm gonna share with you how you can get it and trade with this using this bot for binary options. Um, I just start using it and generate profits with this indicator for binary options. I like it. This is the way that I prefer using it and send signals and signals group. And I start just watching great, great results. This is the script now, the next wave. For those, I'm waiting something special for binary options. I think this is something really cool because we are working it directly with the broker. But if you have another broker, you're trading with pocket option, just let me wait. I have I have a little friend here crying. So, but if you have another broker and the broker trading with pocket option or FOREX, you can using this just to receive the alerts and trade with your broker. I think it's something really cool. On the next days, stay tuned because I'm gonna share with you how you can download and using this indicator for binary options and generate profits in the short periods. This chart is in 1 minute and the trade is for 5 minutes. So stop crying. People are watching you right now. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.